guys, so this is actually part 3, the same night. Okay, so guys, this, oh my goodness, it's raining.
Yummy.
Oh my goodness.
Hi guys. Say hi guys also. Hi guys.
Andy! That's my brother. Where's my brother? That's my brother! It's so cute.
Don't play your food.
You see my brother eating rabong and saluyot.
Lola, they don't know Tagalog. They're Americans.
Feeling ang viewers niya American.
Totoo.
In the Atlantics.
Anong Atlantics? Analytic.
Oh my goodness. Analytics. They can probably hear me from here. Funny time with my parents. You want to see how it's going later? Sorry. Oh.
3 minutes maximum na yun.
Okay, 3 minutes. Nakita mo po? Okay, so here's the outcome. Can't see it. Oh my goodness, it's too bright. Why am I hitting that part? This is 3 layers actually. Oh, it's too high. It's too high. I'll just do 2 floors. Sorry guys, we're just gonna do 2
Nagagatilak ko.
floors.
Bakit naman?
Allergy.
Mama, why don't you like cherry?
Is that good?
It is. It's yummy. I swear.
Looks not good.
Yes, it is the cherry in America. Guys,
I
my
don't like the
parents-
cherry here.
Oh yeah, me too. It tastes like tomato.
Ano?
I like. Oh, Mama, do you like the cherry from?